In this video, we're going to discuss supplements and collateral damage. Supplements and collateral damage are two things in the claim process that are often overlooked and can sometimes be very confusing. So what is a supplement? A supplement is an additional charge to the insurance claim for items that were missed, underpaid, or discovered while working on the home. Items that are normally considered a supplement may include things like rotted decking, damaged valley metals, and damaged flashings. There are also supplements added that are for non-material items like site supervisor pay and extra man hours for added labor for the unforeseen items to be removed and replaced. Your Accurate Roof Systems site supervisor will document all items and submit these to your carrier to be added to the RCV total amount listed and will be paid for on the final check once all work is completed. Now the question is, what is collateral damage? No, not collateral damage the movie. Collateral damage that happened from the storm. So what are collateral damages? Collateral damages are damages caused to other items on the property from a storm, and depending on your insurance policy coverage, these items will be covered as well. Items like patio furniture, gutters, downspouts, barbecue grills, AC units, and other yard items like play sets and sheds. Your insurance policy could possibly even cover the friendly yard gnome. During the supplementing process, your Accurate Roof Systems representative will give you a call or will come out to your home or business to review and explain each line item that your carrier has listed on your claim documents. You will decide with your representative which line item you would like Accurate Roof Systems to perform. Those items selected will match the scope of work on your Accurate Roof Systems contract. And that's all the information for what are supplements and collateral damages. If you have any other questions, call Accurate Roof Systems at 903-894-6418. We'll be glad to help.